Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a delicious apple pie. First, let's talk about the foundation, the crust. A truly great apple pie begins with a flaky, buttery crust. Remember to use very cold butter, cut into small pieces, and work quickly to prevent it from warming up. Chilling the dough for at least 30 minutes is crucial for a tender, easy-to-handle crust. This step ensures your pie will have that perfect texture. Next, we move to the heart of the pie, the apple filling. For the best flavor, choose a combination of firm, tart, and sweet apples like Granny Smith and Honeycrisp. Slice them evenly and toss with sugar, cinnamon, nutmeg, and a thickener such as all-purpose flour or cornstarch. A quick pre-cook of the filling on the stove top helps prevent a watery pie and ensures the apples are perfectly tender when baked. Now it's time to assemble your masterpiece. Carefully spoon the apple filling into your chilled bottom pie crust, mounding it slightly in the center. Place the second crust over the top, crimping the edges to seal, and cut a few vents for steam. Bake your pie at 425 degrees Fahrenheit for the first 15 minutes, then reduce the temperature to 375 degrees Fahrenheit and continue baking until the crust is golden brown and the filling is bubbly. Once your apple pie is out of the oven, the hardest part is waiting. Let it cool completely for at least 3 hours. This allows the filling to set properly, preventing a runny slice. Serve it warm with a scoop of vanilla ice cream or a dollop of fresh whipped cream for an unforgettable dessert. For more great tips and deals, including the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum, check the description below. Enjoy your homemade apple pie.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.